Welcome to Victor Classes. My name is Vijay Sir. In this class, we are going to discuss about removal of speaker. You ask me, sir, are we going to remove the speaker? No, actually, but there is a resolution or a motion coming in the Lok Sabha to remove the speaker Om Birla. So, based upon that, we have to understand the concept. Okay, the chair under fire analyzing the removal of Lok Sabha speaker Om Birla. Om Birla is actually, should be NDA and BJP. That's okay. But speaker is a very noble thing. I remember. Somnath Chatterjee, okay, he was asked to resign from speaker, and that's CPI, he was CPI, and he said, no, I am beyond the politics, okay, defection laws are not applicable to speaker. So such a noble position, but this person, personally, I also feel that he is a partition, he is not a level playing field. So article we have to remember is 94C. 94C is what the procedure for removal of speaker. So we'll discuss something about this. Okay, a breach of trust. Okay. Look at this India bloc, that is that Rahul Gandhi, Congress, DMK, all these people, okay, have moved a no confidence motion against the speaker Om Birla, triggering a constitutional mechanism rarely utilized in the Indian history. Okay, so far I don't think any speaker has been removed so far, but very rarely we use it, okay, against the speaker. Okay, so 114 MPs have signed that we want to remove. We have a no confidence motion against the. We have no confidence over the speaker. So what are the charges? Partition conduct. That means he is not giving equal opportunity to opposition. He is not giving a level playing field. He's speaking as a ruling government only. You might have seen him. Okay. In fact, Rahul Gandhi said one of the video, sir, when I came and give a handshake, you were very strict like this. When Modi ji came, you were almost like this. You were giving him. You are a speaker. You should not bend like this. You should have a equal posture like this. You can see this video. So Om Birla, my personal opinion also, he is not giving any level playing field. Whenever opposition speakers speaks, you should see at his face like this. When these people are speaking, like this. Okay, so that is not. See, there is a Maulankar. There is a lot of good people in as a speaker. With the beyond party politics, they should do. So partition conduct. That means he is alleged bias towards the house. Okay, denial of voice. Particularly, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi wanted to quote something from the book written by this person. Okay, Naravani. Okay, and it is actually unpublished book. Fine. But you ask me, sir, whether unpublished book can be quoted in parliament. Of course, it can be quoted because the power of speech, or you can say freedom of expression inside the parliament is unlimited, enormous. It's not like what is happening outside the parliament. You can bring anything inside the parliament. You have unlimited freedom of speech inside the parliament. So Rahul Gandhi is correct in bringing, and he's speaking about that. There's no wrong in it. Okay. Suspension. He simply suspends all the opposition MP. Okay. And suspension of women members against actually what happened. In fact, one of the other video I told you, they were Gero PM. It means they will encircle the PM. PM cannot move outside like that. They were doing it. Those are the norms available inside this. Okay. So and because of that fear, next session he did not come to speak in Lok Sabha. That is the biggest thing. So the Prime Minister of India is fearing the opposition. He is not coming to Lok Sabha and speaking. Okay. So anyway, these are the charges against the speaker. There is no any conditions given in the parliament or in the Lok Sabha or in the constitution that what is the condition. For example, if you want to remove the president of India, it is written properly that violation of the constitution. But like that, it is not given anything here. So there is no any kind of condition for his removal. But what is the majority is required, that is given here. But anyway, these are some of the articles you should know. Article 93, the mandate. The House of People chooses two members. One is Speaker, one is a Deputy Speaker. Both are members of the Lok Sabha only. They cannot be outsiders. Okay, that is Article 93. Okay, 94C says that the Speaker may be removed by the resolution by all the majority. The then members of, this is the word you have to copy paste in your notebook. In Lakshmikant, they have used the word effective majority also. Okay, it is similar to, it is same as effective majority. I'll explain that what is effective majority. majority. So this is the word which is actually given in the constitution. That means all the majority of all the then members of the Lok Sabha. I'll explain this. I'm coming to it. Okay. The constraint is the speaker cannot preside over the sitting while resolution for removal is concerned. That time, of course, that is a natural justice. He cannot be a presiding officer and his removal is coming up. So deputy speaker will preside over. And I read the news now that Om Birla is not going to come to the Lok Sabha till this is getting settled. Okay, he said, I will not preside over the Lok Sabha till this resolution is getting accepted or not accepted, passed or not accepted. So that is a good gentleman, at least in that he is showing. Okay. So what is the procedure for this? Okay, a 14 days notice has to be given. See, already they have given the resolution. So I think they given on 10th of February. So from there 14 days notice he has to, a cooling off period you can say. Okay, so notice has to be given, a written notice to the general secretary, and it has been given. Okay, and this is a cooling period. We have to wait. We cannot say today we are giving and tomorrow we cannot. So we have a security of tenure to some extent. We can say 14 days notice period is given. Okay, after the 14 days, the motion is entered into the business list, and 50 MPs have to rise and say that yes, we want to remove him. Okay, or we do not have a confidence over him. Okay, then there's a debate happens. He can defend himself. He can say that I did not do anything wrong. I was partial. I was not partial to anybody. I was giving a level playing field, which which is a bogus basically. Okay, so but everybody can speak only for 15 minutes on this. So this is a procedure. So the resolution has to be brought in. Minimum 50 members has to sign. Only then it can be accepted as a legal document. Once it is given, 14 days cooling off period is taken. Okay, Article 93, 94, all this you have to understand. Okay, now what is simple majority? What is the effective majority? Now, simple majority means 50% of present and voting. For example, we have 543 members. Out of 543 members, if there are 300 people are there, then in 300 people, half this 150 plus 151 is a majority. I'm repeating. How many people are present and how many people are voting in that? Okay, that majority is known as simple majority. Okay, but the effective majority means they are only removing the vacancies. Today they have not come. Okay, but certain vacancies there. Like for example, out of 543, there is a 3 vacancies there. So we'll take 540 as a total members. In that we need a majority. That is half of this one. Okay, so used specifically for removing the speaker. This is used for chairman also they have used this, and here also they have used it. Okay. Simple majority is used for passing the ordinary bill. Okay, the absentees do not lower the threshold of removal. That means today they have not come. Okay, and because of that, will that vote be removed from the counting? No. Okay, but as long as you are a MP, your vote will also be counted there. Okay, either you are supporting or not supporting. Understand, right? Okay, so what happens on that particular day? Okay, presiding officer, deputy speaker is presiding officer. Okay, normal day presiding officer, he is okay. Rarely debates will happen. Now what happens? He cannot preside. He becomes a normal member and he will defend himself that I did not do anything wrong, sir. Okay. Okay. Supreme Court Constitutional Bench ruled that constitutionally impermissible for a speaker to adjudicate disqualification petition while a notice. So basically, he cannot do anything on this particular 14 days. Okay, that is a good thing. This person was not okay. So because of the conflict of interest. Okay, so that is why he cannot do anything. Now there are examples are there where this has been done. Okay, for example, Maulankar, who was the first speaker of India, for him also there was a this one no confidence motion, but that was rejected. Okay, the 1966 okay motion failed to secure the 50 members. Okay, we have Sardar Hukum Singh. Please copy down this prelims level material. They can ask you that now we have Om Birla, for him no confidence motion is there. Is this a first person speaker to get it? No, already some people have got this, but nobody has been removed. Okay, no speaker has ever been successfully removed in the independent India. Please copy down that. Okay, then Balram Jakar also had this motion, but nobody has been removed. Okay, so 1954 was the first time. He is the first speaker, Maulankar. He was also first pro tem speaker. Then Sardar Hukum Singh, then Balram Jakar. So what is the max here is, see, the opposition has got only 238 members. Okay, ruling party, of course they are ruling party, so they'll have 272 and above. So they have got 293. So this no confidence motion will be defeated. Om Birla will not be removed. Okay, but in the context we should learn for the UPSC. Okay, why he will not be removed? Because ruling party has a majority. Okay, effective majority is the 272 as if now. Okay, so that they have got this one. Okay, 293 they got. So Aram say this will be defeated. So the opposition 238 falls short of 272 without significant cross voting. Like if somebody is voting from NDA against this, it's very rare. Okay, because they have strict, particularly BJP, that RSS cadre, they will not do anything like this unless until they cross vote. This motion will be defeated. Okay. Removal versus no confidence, knowing the difference. Basically, removal of speaker is it's an individual, okay, and speaker vacates the chair, okay, and majority required in the this one, okay. Whereas no confidence motion is a simple majority, okay, and the government must resign, okay, and this is basically Article 75. Okay, this I have to mention here, okay. Article 75 because they have a collective responsibility. You can say that Council of Minister is collectively responsible to Lok Sabha, okay. So here only speaker will resign. Here the government has to resign. Okay, this also opposition party has to be. In both the cases, reason may be given or may not be given. There is no compulsion for this. Okay, so this is Article 75. This is Article 93. Okay, so please compare speaker's removal and the government's removal. Okay, so executive summarize process. 14 days notice has to be given. The majority required is the effective majority. That means it includes all the people who are present or absent. They will remove the who are vacating them. That means the seat is vacated. That means the position is vacant. Okay. Article 96, speaker cannot preside over this one. And he has, on this side, forgot to tell you, speaker has got two types of voting. One is casting vote, one is the first instance vote. When the bill is getting passed, there's a tie, like who people want to say yes and who people want to say no. Both are equal. He can be a tie breaker. That is a casting vote. But during his removal, he can vote in the first instance itself. Okay. So he can vote in the first instance itself. Okay. Then a speaker facing removal cannot disqualify members under the anti-defection law. So Nabam Ribia case, okay, this can also be one prelims level question. With the ND holding 293 seats, this motion will be defeated. Okay. Speaker has said all these are okay. Now looking at the summary, okay, 50 member threshold has to be, that is being done. Okay, now 14 days notice, he is under the 14 days notice, that is why he is saying I will not come. Okay, effective majority is needed. Presiding officer, where are you going? Okay, presiding officer will be deputy speaker or somebody else. Okay, he can vote in the first instance itself. Okay, then what else? He cannot disqualify any other members. He can be a member inside the Lok Sabha. He cannot preside also. If he is not presiding, he cannot disqualify anybody. Okay, so basically simple things I wanted to link with the current affairs and tell you. Already I have taken a parliament in a 2-part, which is available in this playlist itself. And you have any doubts, please put in comments or give me a call and WhatsApp me, same number only. We'll discuss and teach you more. Hope you enjoyed this class. See you in another video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.